Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee. Check us out, maplemotors.com. We sell classic American muscle cars, and today I'm going to take y'all on a test drive in a 1971 Chevelle. It's got a 307 in it, nice clean motor. Just a mild motor, it hasn't been built up. We're gonna take her down the road. I want to point out any flaws that I see running and driving wise. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. If you have any other questions, refer to maplemotors.com. You can get financing, shipping, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. It's that time, guys. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, kind of look around the interior here. I did notice the bottom of the store. A lot of people kick it when they're getting out, kick that panel, and it's gotten all tore up. The rest of it looks pretty good. It does have a small rip right here in the armrest. Coming on around, we're gonna check the dash out. It's like a little bit of dry cracking going on up here. The rest of it looks pretty good. Go ahead and start it up. Starts up pretty easy. Try the radio out. Radio's not cutting on, so we'll cancel that out. The blower motor's out on the air. That's not working as well. They put a different steering wheel in, and they didn't hook up the actual horn. Probably just hook that wire up, take the wheel off. Windshield wipers, yeah, they work. It's that time, let's take off. Went ahead and got my seatbelt on here. Like I said, anything that I see that may be wrong with this car, I'm going to point out. Try to go over everything, try it all out. We're waiting on traffic to pass. I do got my turn signals popping up on the dash here. I pushed in the cigarette lighter. I want to see if it works. A little bit of a hesitation when I gave it a good amount of gas. The cigarette lighter's not working. See if we got a passing gear or kick down. It is hooked up. The car seems to be going nice and straight down the road. The steering wheel's nice and straight as well. Pretty tight. Not any slack really. Check the brakes. And the brakes feel good. Rear view mirror is definitely some old glass. It's got some stains in the glass. So far, running and driving wise, this thing's checking out pretty good. I don't want to get close to that car there. Where's this guy honking at? I'm in the right lane, he's the one doing the wrong. But yeah, we're gonna keep on cruising here. Speedometer looking pretty correct. Gas gauge is not correct at all. It's all the way past the F. So it's not reading correctly. Nice quiet cruiser, really. and get some outside shots. We'll do some drive-bys, let you hear what it sounds like from the outside. Just let everybody know in all the videos now, I'm using a Tellison. It's metal, it extends, it's easy, it's quick, it's got a stand. And I can just drop it right outside the car with the GoPro 7 that I'm using right here. And you can get all of my equipment information down in the description, so check that out. Gonna continue this test drive, take off down the road here. Everything's been good so far. Car's been sitting here idling, not overheating at all. I mean, it is just a 307. It's probably not gonna have any issues with overheating. Main issues with overheating come with the big blocks, so. Small blocks, pretty reliable. Did notice the gasket to the thermostat needs to be replaced. It was leaking a little bit. Try and let this guy cruise on up. He was playing with his phone in the dash as he passed, so I don't know if he knows what he's doing. Turn on this road right here. There's a big old bump in the road. We're gonna hit it, show you the suspension. Suspension on this one's pretty nice. It's been nice and smooth this whole ride. Everything about this has been running and driving good. The bumps are right here in the road. Nice and smooth. Pull on back in the lot here. And finish up both of these videos. I'll go ahead and get them put together and get them put out there for you. I do this kind of stuff every single day. If you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button and you'll get to see every time I post one. We got some new cars rolling in right now. You'll probably got to see a sneak peek as I pull it up. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Check us out at weMainbsite.com. We buy and sell cars every single day. We just picked up a few today already. You can see a full list of our inventory at weMainbsite.com as well. We also have shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Everything that I use to make these videos, I put in a link below. You can click on it, see exactly what I use, and make the videos yourself if you want. We do also buy cars, and we do trades. You can follow us on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, or right here on YouTube. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.